Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an important topic that every security researcher, ethical hacker, or even everyday user should know about. How do you responsibly report a security vulnerability when you find one? Finding a bug isn't just exciting, it's a huge responsibility. Handling the right way, you could help protect thousands of users on recognition and even get rewarded. Handling the wrong way, it could cause serious harm and even legal trouble. So today, I'll guide you step by step on how to report security vulnerability the right way, professionally and safely. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why this even matters. When you find a vulnerability, you hold powerful knowledge. If it falls into the wrong hand or is mishandled, it can be used to attack users, steal data, or damage reputation. Responsible disclosure protects user, help companies fix issues, build trust in you as a researcher, and prevents legal problems. In short, you are doing the right thing for right reason. Now, the first step after finding a vulnerability is to verify it carefully. You want to double check that it's real and not just a feature or a misunderstanding. Document clear evidence, take screenshots, record videos if needed, write down exactly what you did to discover the issues. But remember, stay ethical. Do not go deeper. Avoid accessing private data or disrupting system. You want to demonstrate the issues, not cause harm. Once you are sure the vulnerability is real, it's time to gather all important details for a report. Here's what you should collect: a clear description of the vulnerability, the impact, what could a hacker do with it, step-by-step reproducing steps, information about the environment like browser version, app version, or operating system, a proof of concept, a safe, minimal demo of the vulnerability if possible. The more organized your information, the easier it will be for the security team to understand and fix the problem. Next, you need to find the right place to report the issue. Many companies have security or responsible disclosure page on their website. Some run bug bounty programs on platforms like HackerOne, Bugcrowd, Snack. If you cannot find any formal process, try emailing security@company.com. It's common industry practice. And if you're not sure, look for privacy policy or legal page. Sometimes they have security contact information hidden there. Now comes one of the most important part, writing a report. Be polite, be professional, and be clear. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Briefly explain what you found, share all your documented evidences, offer to help if they need clarification. Here's an example. Hello, security team. I discovered a security vulnerability that could impact your users. Below are the details. Please let me know if you need any further information. Thank you for your time and commitment to security. Best regards. Simple, respectful, and to the point. After you submit the report, you need to be patient. Security teams often receive hundreds of reports. Investigating, validating, and fixing vulnerabilities can take time. Usually, it's good to wait around 2 to 3 weeks before sending a polite follow-up if you haven't heard back. Remember, you are working with them, not against them. Sometimes you might want to publish your findings, maybe a blog post or a presentation. But hold on, only share your disclosure publicly after getting permission from the company, ensuring the vulnerability has been fixed, and removing any sensitive or private information from your publication. The goal is to educate and inspire, not to expose or embarrass anyone. If the company completely ignores you for months and vulnerability is critical, you can coordinate disclosure through organizations like CERT. Always aim for responsible public sharing, not gotcha moment. And a few quick bonus tips. If you prefer privacy, report anonymously. Only disclose rewards if the company offers a bug bounty. Always act in a good faith. Your reputation is your biggest asset. And that's it. Reporting a security vulnerability isn't just a technical skill. It's an ethical commitment. You are helping create a safer internet, and that's something to be proud of. If you learned something valuable today, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity content, and share this video with others who might find it helpful.